Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CallRail for tracking acquisition calls. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the CallRail website. Look for the login option in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once your email and password are entered, click the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load your CallRail dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password. If you still can't log in, consider clearing your browser cache. You can also try using a different browser. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Tracking Numbers section to access your acquisition calls. Explore the various features available for tracking and analytics. Use the search function if you need to find specific call details. Make sure to log out when finished for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.